Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my Nihongo class. And for today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of the preposition words in making Nihongo statement or sentence and the use of imas and arimas in making Nihongo sentence. There are two ways of saying to exist in Nihongo. First is the use of arimas. It means we will only be using arimas if the object we are talking about or the subject of the sentence is an inanimate or objects, meaning to say there's no life. Let's say for example, books, tables, pens, papers, anything that has no life. And if we're going to use imas, it should be an animate or with life, like for example, people or animals or plants or anything that has life. So we will be using imas. Let me walk you through these examples. In this example, we will be using doko or where. And of course, if we will be using doko or where, we will be using a particle ni which indicates location. So in my first sentence or in my first example, Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? It means where is Glenda? We use imas because the subject of the sentence is Glenda, which is an animate. So if it's an animate or with life, Glenda is the proper name of a person, so we will be using imas. Okay, so we will try to answer this question, Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? In Nihongo. Glenda-san wa gakko ni imasu, meaning Glenda is in the school. If you still remember from our previous lessons, we always use gakko in making an example, and gakko means school. Glenda-san wa gakko ni imasu in English means Glenda is in the school. Let's read these sentences once again, starting from the first example. Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? In English, it means where is Glenda? In my second example, let's try to read this one. Glenda-san wa gakko ni imasu. In English, it means Glenda is in the school. In my second example, we will be using arimas. As I've told you earlier, we will be using arimas in an inanimate subject. So, in my first example, we use Glenda-san no gakko wa, which means Glenda's school. Glenda's school is an inanimate. So, we use arimas. Glenda-san no gakko wa doko ni arimasu ka? Means in English, where is Glenda's school? Let's try to answer this statement in Nihongo. And we'll still be using arimas. Glenda-san no gakko wa Manila ni arimas. Meaning, Glenda-san no gakko means Glenda's school. Manila ni means Manila, or Glenda-san no gakko wa Manila ni arimas means Glenda's school is in Manila. Let's try to read these examples once again. Please repeat after me. Glenda-san no gakko wa doko ni arimasu ka? In English, where is Glenda's school? If we try to answer this example in Nihongo, it will be Glenda-san no gakko wa Manila ni arimasu, or in English, it means Glenda's school is in Manila. This time we will be having an exercises. Fill in the blanks with arimas or imas. In my first statement, neko wa doko ni blank ka. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to think for your answer. You will be choosing either arimas or imas. Your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Neko in English means cat. So we will be using imas. Neko wa doko ni imasu ka? In English, it means where is the cat? Let's try to read this once again. Neko wa doko ni imasu ka? In English, where is the cat? In this statement, watashi no ringo wa doko ni blank ka? You will be choosing either arimas or imas to make this sentence complete. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer this, and your 5 seconds start now. Very good. The correct answer is arimas. Why arimas? Because we are talking about ringo. Watashi no my ringo is apple. We are talking about my apple here. This is an inanimate. If the subject is an inanimate, we will be using arimas. And apple is an inanimate. Watashi no ringo wa doko ni arimas is the correct answer. Please read after me. Watashi no ringo wa doko ni arimasu ka? In English, it means where is my apple? This time, I'll be giving you an example of preposition in Nihongo. The first one is mai, or in English, it means front. The second one is ushiro, or it means behind. The third one is yoko, or next to or alongside in English. The next one is ue, or it means top or above in English. The next is shita, which means bottom or under in English. The next one is naka, or inside in English. And the last one is soto, or outside in English. Let's try to read this once again. We will be using this in creating a sentence or constructing a sentence. Please repeat after me. Mae, ushiro, yoko, ue, shita, naka, and soto. This time we will make an example using the prepositions which was stated earlier and the use of imas and arimas. But in my first example, I will be using imas with the prepositions. As I've explained earlier, when we use imas, we are pertaining to an animate, meaning to say it could either be a person, an animal, or a name of plants. So in my first statement, we use neko, or in English, it is a cat. If it's a cat, then we will be using imas because cat is an animate. And doko is where. If we use where, then it denotes location. And if it indicates location, we will also be using a particle ni. So in my first statement, neko wa doko ni imasu ka? Or where is the cat? I'll repeat my question or my statement. Neko wa doko ni imasu ka? Where is the cat? Now, if we will try to answer this question, we will be using the prepositions here. We will try to choose naka. Where is the cat? It's inside. If we translate it's inside in Nihongo, it will be naka ni imasu. I'll repeat, naka ni imasu means it's inside. Or if we say it's outside, it will be soto ni imasu because soto means outside. If we say, or if we answer the question, where is the cat? It's outside. In Nihongo, it will be soto ni imasu. Soto means outside and naka means inside. Another example will be combining location. So we will be combining prepositions with location. I'll be giving an example, which is kuruma or car in English. Of course, we will also be using no, which indicates possession. And let's not forget the particle ni that indicates location, because we will be combining location with the prepositions. We will again be using either one of these prepositions. So in my first statement, neko wa doko no imasu ka, here we use imasu ka. If you still remember, if we use imasu ka, we are pertaining to an animate or a subject with life. Let's say, for example, person, animal, or plants. Our subject here is neko. Neko means cat, and cat is an animate. So we use imasu ka. Neko wa doko ni imasu ka, in English, it means where is the cat. Let's try to answer this first statement, neko wa doko no imasu ka, in another Nihongo sentence. This time, we will be using koroma, which means car, and no, which indicates possession, and a preposition, shita, which means bottom or under. The answer to this question, where is the cat, or neko wa doko ni imasu ka, it will be under the car. If we try to translate under the car in Nihongo, it will be koroma no, or car, and shita, which means under. Koroma no shita means under the car. We may also answer this question, neko wa doko ni imasu ka, or where is the cat? If we will tell that the cat is above the car, we will be using still kuruma no, or car. Let's not forget no, this particle no, which indicates possession for the car, and of course ue, which means top or above. So, kuruma no ue means above the car. Let's try to read this Nihongo sentences once again. Please repeat after me. Neko wa doko ni imasu ka? In English, it means where is the cat? I'll read this sentence once again. Please repeat after me. Kuruma no shita. In English, it means under the car. And the next Nihongo statement, please repeat after me, kuruma no ue, which means above the car. This time we will be having another exercises. We will be using mae or front, ushiro or behind, and ie means house in English. So in my first statement, where is Glenda? I'll be translating this in Nihongo. Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? And I will also be answering this statement in English. Glenda is in front of the house. Now, you will be translating Glenda is in front of the house using the following words here above to make a sentence in Nihongo. So you will be using mae, ushiro, and e in translating Glenda is in front of the house in Nihongo. So you will be translating Glenda is in front of the house in Nihongo. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo, and your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Glenda is in front of the house in Nihongo is Glenda-san wa, in English, Glenda. I no, house. Let us not forget the no that indicates possession to be attached with the house. And mae, in front, and again the particle ni, which indicates the place. And of course, arimas. We use arimas because house is an inanimate. The correct answer is Glenda-san wa ii no mae ni arimas. Or in English, it means Glenda is in front of the house. Let's try to read the following Nihongo sentences once again. Please repeat after me. Where is Glenda? In Nihongo, Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? Glenda is in front of the house. In Nihongo, Glenda-san wa ii no mae ni arimasu. Let's try to do another exercise. This time, I'll be giving you again the question, where is Glenda? And I'll also be giving you the translation of where is Glenda in Nihongo, which is Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? And you will be translating Glenda is behind the house in Nihongo. Again, you will be using mae, which means front, ushiro, which means behind, and ie, which means house. You will be translating Glenda is behind the house in Nihongo. Again, I'll be giving you 5 seconds to translate this sentence in Nihongo. And your 5 seconds start now. Very good. Glenda is behind the house in Nihongo is Glenda-san wa ii no ushiro ni arimasu. Behind is ushiro. And of course, we use arimas because house or ie is an inanimate. Glenda is behind the house in Nihongo is Glenda-san wa ii no ushiro ni arimasu. Let's try to read these sentences once again. Where is Glenda? Glenda-san wa doko ni imasu ka? Our answer, Glenda is behind the house. In Nihongo, Glenda-san wa ii no ushiro ni arimasu. Thank you so much for watching and for listening to our lesson for today. I hope you've learned a lot in this lesson, and I hope you already know how to use the following preposition in making a sentence in Nihongo. If you have any question, please put your questions in the comment box down below. And if you would like me to do any tutorial video, also please comment down below in the comment box. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Also, hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my new videos. And please share this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye!